Welcome back to episode 2 of
DC High Cafe. DC Cafe, sorry. DC Cafe Juice Bar.
Juice Bar. We're back with another juice. As you can see on the table here, all of our ingredients for the episode.
Of which we had to rig a few because some are not in season.
Some are not sold around here. So we had to spice it up a bit. So we got some coconut water.
2 cups.
Celery.
2 stalks.
Ginger.
Ginger, a small piece. No, seriously, that's what was in the recipe.
What you call it, ginger?
Ginger.
Banana.
Oh, it's half a banana.
Avocado.
Half an avocado.
What was this supposed to be?
A bunch of basil, but
A bunch of basil?
we couldn't find fresh basil, so we rigged it with dry. So you would use obviously less because it's more potent.
And then
Figs, which
Figs.
we had to find basically creamed figs or mushed figs, and it's
so
it's supposed to be 3 figs.
it's 3 figs.
It's 3 figs worth of fig juice.
And JM, actually I want to.
Do you want to hear something funny?
Taste
What this recipe is actually supposed to promote?
What is this one for?
Your libido.
Oh.
It's supposed to increase sex drive.
Oh my God, that is a fig Newton.
Yeah, that's what's inside fig
Wow,
Newton.
that is a fig Newton.
Welcome to the real world, D, where we all knew this.
Yo, it is on. Do we have more of this?
Yeah, actually there is. There's still half a jar.
Yes, there ain't gonna be for much longer.
He's addicted. Okay, before he eats all the fig juice, we're going to get this crack-a-lackin'.
I'm gonna taste some fresh avocado. No. I don't taste. Hopefully, this time nothing tastes earthy.
The only thing earthy you're going to taste is the basil, but that's more sweet. It has a sweet flavor.
So.
And the ginger you smelled, which smells amazing, by the way. Just that you gotta like rub this all over your body and like it's a perfume.
That's just weird.
What I like rubbing gingers on my body. Oh wait, ginger.
All right. So again, is it no particular order?
No particular. I'm gonna guess you probably want to put the liquid in at the first or the last part of it, and then mix it all together. And what do you got? The juice.
We're going first.
We're gonna do it first.
We're gonna do it first.
Well, that is actually about 2 cups anyway. So
Why is it all chunky?
Because I stuck it in the freezer and it's half frozen.
Oh,
Woo!
Look at it.
Mmm.
Ew.
Coconut water. You can take a sip because it's actually 2.112 cups. It's potent.
Let's get it shoving.
Hold on. Should we put this in last to like rinse out all the stuff out of the grinder?
Fine.
Doesn't that make more sense? Yeah, I think it does. Alright, so let's start with the chunkiest stuff first.
Chunky, let's go with the celery first.
Celerity.
Remember, we put it in first before we turn it on. So I don't want chunks flying at my face again.
Why not? That makes it so much more exciting.
Yeah.
Don't drop the celery. There's only 2 stalks, no more, no less.
Okay, I think that's.
No,
wow.
2 more.
2 more? I can't
Can you
get
get
2
it?
more.
Yeah, you can. Shove it in.
Well, let's get it shoving.
There we go, yeah.
Alright, now let me get the plunger.
Plunge it in.
Turn me on. Let's get it shoving. Yes. Big old chunk.
Ew,
See that
celery
big chunk?
juice. Yeah, maybe you should like rerun that through.
Right? That's what I was thinking. Since there is a little bit more.
Unless that's just all
Where'd
celery
it go?
here.
Oh, I put it all in there.
Hopefully you sanitize your hand to prevent from coronavirus.
Right? This is kind of...
That is not one of the ingredients.
So what it... Oh, you said libido.
Libido. It's supposed to make you Randy. Supposed to.
Who's Randy? And why do you want me to be him for?
right, so
Next.
I think we should put the avocado and ginger in together. That way the ginger and the avocado mix, and it has something to attach to. Yep. I would do
Go the
like,
opposite way?
or you can like
Speaking
partially.
of libido.
Or you can partially put the banana in, and I don't
What?
know.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna just stick the ginger inside the avocado. I'm just gonna smush it on there.
This is
We're
becoming
just
a
gonna
very
put it in here. Yeah, just one big turd.
Not for TV.
There we go. Let's get it shoving.
That ain't how this works. You could have cut the piece in half. It like mushes.
I didn't know.
It's mushy. It's avocado.
It's avocado.
They make dip out of this. Come on.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's so badly done. It's a messy. Oh, but look, you are dropping. You got some more in there, by the way. Every last little bit. The funny thing is I have a weird dislike for avocado.
Really?
Like,
What's
it
wrong with you?
depends.
So okay, so that's two
maybe
shows
it's
in a row.
just Taco
Two.
Bell's guacamole, but
Guacamole?
no, because we bought that one and I kind of liked it.
Okay, so far we figured out that every recipe so far has something you don't enjoy. So
I can't help it.
I guess this show's about
now
you.
you found out why I don't like beets. I feel like you should have went slower for some reason.
I let it do what it wanted to do. Did we get anything out of it? Did anything?
Lift the lid, dirty.
What are we looking
We're looking at we missed half of it.
at? It's a double runner.
Double runner.
It's a
If you're
double
using
bagger.
a food processor like us to juice, make sure you get all the.
I have a spoon right there.
Oh look, there's a whole bunch on the top too.
Yeah. Looks like somebody just cut grass. Hey, it's kind of like a grass soda.
Oh look, there's a piece of ginger that needs to go back.
That's
in
what I thought. That's why I was like, you might want to get a spoon. Alright, so anyways, this is going without a hitch. Ew, it was my finger! It almost felt like baby poop.
If it feels like.
You ever felt baby poop?
I don't know. Actually, I like fresh avocado. Hold on.
I thought you were going to say fresh poop.
Actually, I really like it fresh.
Why?
Maybe it's Taco Bell's
Might be
guacamole
a
that's
Taco
horrible.
Bell. All right. Whoa, yeah, alright. That did a whole lot of nothing. Alright, kill it. Woo! This is going to be awesome.
Awesome pasta.
So I feel like we need to how much, do we use all that?
No, half.
Half.
That's actually 2 servings, probably about. Oh yeah, get that fig in there.
Let's get it shoving.
It's like
As it
sliding
slowly
down the hole.
slides. Like a
Oh.
turd rolling down the street.
It's so
Get it
crunchy.
shoving.
Shoving.
I mean, it's the catchphrase.
It's kind of like floating. I think one good heaping.
I can't see. There we go.
That ain't heaping. That is not a heaping measurement. I thought you were using the big spoon. There you
Act
go.
like you're using your big boy spoon. Just say it.
There we go. That looks like enough pig.
Now, let's go ahead and throw this in with it.
You probably should have used the spoon for that. That was the whole point of the spoon in the first place.
You
Yeah,
sure
exactly.
this ain't...
I rehydrated it slightly.
Did you get my stash again?
Very funny. It's basil. Here. Ding, 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 ding. Oops. There's fig. Scrape it, Saya.
Why is it so sticky? Are you sure this is what it's supposed to be?
Yes. It's basil. And it's because we used dried and I slightly wettened it to be more moisturized.
What the heck? Let's just throw the banana into it.
I feel like we can. Hold on. Not yet. Get the banana out! Just to kind of coat it a little to help it get in there and get through.
I thought you said we're only using half of that.
That is half of that. Go on. And be extra figgy.
Let's get it shoving.
Ew.
I got it from. Hold on.
Look, this is barely making any. Oh, because we still. I gotta put the other
Turn
stuff
me
in.
on. Let's get it shoving.
Ew, it's like caramel. It's like almost coming out of there. Do you see it?
Oh, there's a banana! Oh,
Oh no, it's not
I
done.
know!
I feel like now would almost be like almost a good.
Let's get it, Chapman! Let's get it! Let's get it! Oh.
Hold on, we gotta scrape the top again. Exactly.
Holy kind of guacamole.
Kind of guacamole. Guac.
Guac. Look, there's still celery chunks. Why is there still celery chunks?
Because I
Ew!
can't.
I touched the side. Ew!
It's
Ew!
like fake peanut butter.
I don't know. This may be good. Ooh, I just got everything mixed. Ooh. I kind of like that. It just like explodes.
We're really bad at this. Really bad at this.
As soon as you just turned it on, everything just went like a bomb just went off inside of it.
Unlock it.
Oh, sorry. Ew!
Come on, man. I need you inside the grinder. Take the grinder piece off real quick. It just pops off, I think. No? Yeah? Oh, yeah.
Ew! That's so nice.
And make sure you wash that part, guys, whenever you open your food processor to juice like idiots like we do. Alright. That should help with the situation of the exploding. Alright, go ahead. Stick that thing back in there. It has to go back.
Ew, come on! Hate you.
It looks like you ran out of toilet paper due to the coronavirus.
Is that
You're
right?
fine. Yeah, sure. It works.
That's interesting. Everything tastes like banana. Like, literally.
Oh, yeah. Cardamom. Look at it. It's
I
like,
didn't make the whole lot.
oh, we didn't put the water in yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's going to help cleanse it.
Alright, yeah. We still got the water.
Shake it up, it says. All right. My half-frozen coconut water. Dum, 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 dum. I guess stick that on. Yeah, knew that was happening. You know,
Why
I
don't
take
we
the
just
little grind.
pour it in here? What's the difference? Why does it have to go through the process?
I don't know. Because I figured it'd help clean it out.
No, it just exploded too. Oh my god, that is good thing we have a spoon. This feels like it needs to be stirred. Ew. Mm.
Why? It's the same stuff that's in here.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna make a concoction. This is not very. Well, I guess it's more juicy than the other one was.
It's like baby poop.
It is baby poop, dude. This is actually your next week's Freaky Food Friday.
Right.
Alright.
Ooh, it's so chunky. What are those chunks? What is that? It looks like Italian dressing. I don't know if you can pick
It's
that up.
solidified coconut. You'll be okay.
This is supposed to be the good show. This is supposed to be the good show. How does this turn into another freaky food? Wow.
Do you
I
need-
misjudged that a lot. Yeah. Oh, get you some of that. Get you some of that. This is so nice.
It's like we need ice.
No, we don't. Nothing is going to help this. Ew, it looks like swamp
It smells
water.
good. It smells good.
You know
I'll
what we
give
should
it
name
that.
this?
Swamp water.
We should call it the Ohio River.
Oh yes, the Ohio River.
The
So far
Ohio
we've had
River. Look at
dirt
the
juice,
bottom.
and now we have the Ohio.
Ohio River.
Ooh, do you shoot this? I feel like you're supposed to shoot this.
Feel like you're supposed to do something. Set it on fire. I don't know. All right, here's to the juice bar.
All right,
Oh
Chunkalicious.
God! Look, I don't know if you can pick it up in the light. It's
Chunky.
so. It smells weird.
Surprisingly delicious.
What planet are you on?
That is good.
Are we on the same show?
That is good.
It's too chunky for me. There's too much.
There's no chunk to it once you start drinking it. Try
Would
mine.
you-
Maybe mine's just less chunky.
No, it's the same. I can't just do chunk. Look at this side of your
It's
glass.
coconut.
I know, but it's nasty. It's nasty.
It literally dissolves as soon as it touches your mouth.
But I'm drinking juice. The last thing I want to feel is little chunks of things
A
flying in my
coconut,
mouth.
then you can't eat raw coconut because there's little chunks of coconut in it.
Ooh,
That's all it is coconut.
it feels like something wasn't got in my drink. Feels like the wind blew and some debris got in your drink and you didn't know.
No,
You took a drink, you're
seriously.
like, ugh.
Get past the fact that you think it's chunky. It's not. Just taste it. You can really taste the banana. Stands out on its own.
I don't like the coconut.
I like the coconut. Maybe we should have tried the aloe vera juice, but that has chunks of aloe vera in it, so you would probably try
Yeah,
that.
I've drank that before and it's
It's the same thing.
I
it's
don't like
aloe
coconut.
vera- Aloe vera juice.
I don't know. That's my problem. That's my issue with it. I don't like the coconut water. I like everything but the coconut water.
Okay, surpass the coconut flavor then.
But I think it's the coconut water and the celery, like the chunkies on the glass. Looks like a critter. It's a parasite. It's a coronavirus. We found it.
Oh god, that looks so wrong.
Right?
No,
Hey, it's
seriously.
the libido juice.
Hey, it literally made libido. No, seriously, drink it. Like, try.
I just did.
And we'll let
Again,
you know if it actually
it's
improves your
mixed with the celery. The coconut water and celery don't mix with me. I think if you took the celery out of the picture, I think it's actually good.
I don't really taste the celery.
I do.
Maybe I got a better cup than you.
Is there a better end to this?
I guess. I mean, it was kind of
Look
pretty
at the bottom of it. It's the Ohio River.
Actually, I think that's basil.
I don't know. I want to see if we can.
Get an up close shot.
You see these chunks that are in the bottom of the glass to the Ohio River.
But sadly, if we'd have made this recipe right, it would be chunky-less.
Chunklyless. Official word right here on DC Cafe.
Chunky-less.
Well, you turned me on. We got it shoving. It got the chunking. And, I already hate this show. This is supposed to be the good one.
Now, mind you, these are all internet recipe finds.
I almost feel like we should just make our own, but I like it when it's centered around something. Like last week it was antioxidants. I like that, but I'm wondering if you just like could create your own or just put in something. Maybe we should just
Or
look
find
something up.
stuff that is like supposed to do stuff for you and mix it
All right,
together.
how about next week? We'll do it this way. Next week we'll look for something that helps with energy.
Okay.
An energy juice.
And the sad thing is one of the most number one things that it gives you can't have.
What?
Citrus.
Oh, I know. So we're gonna work out a way to find and make a energy juice
Citrusless.
citrusless next week here on
DC Cafe.
the Juice Bar.
Don't forget to
Subscribe.
and like these videos or check them out or do
Do
both.
something. That's what we're doing.